So one of the most unique things about this surgical oncology fellowship is the breast rotation and the breast experience. We do have a breast surgical oncology fellowship, but in addition to that, that allows us to teach our general surgical oncology fellows the same information that we would teach our breast fellows. One of the things that we're most proud of here at St. John's is our ability to do oncoplastic surgery. Most surgeons who are doing breast operations will seek out courses and programs out there after training in order to gain these experiences in oncoplastic surgery, whereas here at St. John's, it is part of your daily life. When you rotate through our rotations, you will be doing hands-on operations, learning how to do mastopexies, reduction mammoplasties, in order to better serve our patients and provide them with better cosmetic outcomes while allowing us to do wider resections. I think this is one of the most unique things about our program, and if you actually talk to other fellows out there, they do seek out these techniques, however, it's not widely offered. So we hope that if you decide to come here, that is one of the most exciting things about our program.